What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your latest comments on the YT Studio on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to go ahead and open up the YT Studio or YouTube Studio on your phone, guys, and once you're inside your channel, to see the latest comments you just want to scroll down just a little on this home page or this dashboard home page here, and you will start to see comments. Right, you will see the video that has the latest comment. As you can see, it says latest published content, and you will see comments that are there. And if you even scroll down a bit, you will see latest comments, and this is where all the latest comments will be shown. You can also see latest comments by clicking the bell icon on the upper right hand side. That's going to show you all the latest comments as well. You also have the option to go to community at the lower right hand side next to earn, and you can see the comments as well there, and you can also see the total comments that you have. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.